Let's look at the present perfect tense to ask questions about how long have you done something? How long have you worked at that company? How long have you played tennis? How long have you? We have Jill. She's in Ireland now. How long have you been in Ireland? Since Monday. So Jill is on holiday in Ireland. She is there now. She's arrived in Ireland on Monday. Today is Thursday. How long has she been in Ireland? She has been in Ireland since Monday. So we can say since Monday. So it started in Monday, or for 3 days. The duration has been 3 days. She has been in Ireland since Monday, or for 3 days. She is in Ireland now. So is present, and has been is present perfect. Until now, she has been there. Let's quickly look at some examples of the present simple and the present perfect simple. Is or are, or you can say or have, or you can say I have been, I have lived, I have known. Mark and Liz are married. They have been married for 5 years. Not they are married for 5 days. No, they have been married until now. Are you married? How long have you been married? Do you know Sarah? How long have you known her? How long do you know her? Don't say it like that. I know Sarah. I've known her for a long time. I know her. So don't say I know her. Linda lives in London. How long has she lived in London? She has lived there her whole life. She has lived there all her life. I have a car. How long have you had your car? I've had it since April. So let's compare the present continuous, something that you're doing right now. I'm learning German. How long have you been learning German? So we can use have been plus ing. So this is the present continuous. How long have you been learning German? Not how long are you learning German? I've been learning German for 2 years. David is watching TV. How long has he been watching TV? He's been watching TV since 5 o'clock. Or you can say he's been watching TV for 5 hours. If it's 10 p.m. now. It's raining. It's been raining all day. It has been raining the whole day. Some exercises we can do. Jill is in hospital. She has been in hospital since Monday. I know Sarah. I have known her for a long time. Linda and Frank are married. They have been married since 1989. We live in Scott Road. We have lived there for 10 years. Catherine works in a bank. She has worked in a bank for 5 years. Alan has a headache. He has had a headache since he got up this morning. I'm learning English. I have been learning English for 6 months. Make questions with how long. Jill is on holiday. How long has she been on holiday? Mike and Judy are in Brazil. How long have they been in Brazil? I know Margaret. How long have you known Margaret? Diana is learning Italian. How long has she been learning Italian? My brother lives in Canada. How long has he lived in Canada? I'm a teacher. How long have you been a teacher? It is raining. How long has it been raining? Let's look at these pictures and complete the sentences. Your sentences must end with one of these. For 10 minutes all day, all alive for 10 years since he was 20, since Sunday. We're married. I live in Wales. We're on holiday. The sun is shining. I'm waiting. I have a beard. They have been married for 10 years. She has lived in Wales all her life. We have been on holiday since Sunday. The sun has been shining all day. She has been waiting for 10 minutes. He has had a beard since he was 20. Which is right. Mark has been in Canada since April. He has been right. Jane is a good friend of mine. I know her very well. So because I still know her, we can say I know her very well. Jane is a good friend of mine. I have known her for a long time. I'm sorry I'm late. How long have you been waiting? Not long, only 5 minutes. Martin works in a hotel now. He likes his job very much. Linda is reading the newspaper. She has been reading it for 2 hours. How long have you lived in this house? About 10 years. Is this a new coat? No, I've had this coat for a long time. Tom is in Spain at the moment. He has been there for 3 days.